It is Saturday, March 29th. Trying to show you the sky. It's actually been a lot cloudier and overcast than what it looks right now. I feel like the sun just sort of popped out of nowhere. But it's about 5:15 right now. I put the drone up just to see if I could get eyes north towards Table Rock and the fire lines that are still burning. And they came out and said this morning Table Rock fire is close to 11,000 acres. Persimmon Ridge right around 2,000 acres. I think they're getting some containment on Persimmon Ridge. Seems like they have a really good control on that one. I can't see any thermal imaging on the wildfire apps for that one. Doesn't seem like it's grown too much. And then the Table Rock fire is still moving north. It went up over the Blue Ridge Escarpment to the North Carolina border and is creeping into North Carolina now. So I think they're focusing a lot of their resources up there to try to keep it from spreading further in North Carolina, where there are a lot of homes, neighborhoods, and structures up there. So I feel like that's probably where they're focusing a lot of their effort. It is still growing west past Pinnacle Mountain towards Sassafras, but they have a very defined dozer line fire break over there that they're just kind of letting it, I guess, spread to, and hoping that they can hold that. I think they're going to do some back burning as well. And today's been a lot more humid with this cloud cover that came in this morning. Pretty calm winds as far as I can tell. So I think that's helped a lot. And hopefully there's going to be rain here by tomorrow morning, Sunday. So that's what we've all been hoping and praying for. So that's the good news. Bad news is this is basically, going down in history as the largest South Carolina mountain wildfire on record. So I'm hoping as of today it has not spread too much more. And like I said, this rain is going to help a lot. So that's all the updates I have for now.